Kashmir, often called the paradise on earth, is not only famous for its mountains, valleys, and snow-covered peaks. This land is also a treasure of wildlife, where rare and powerful animals still roam freely. The dense forests of deodar, pine, and kale trees provide shelter to and brown bear forests, Pir Panjal, Gurez, Telai, Gilgit-Baltistan border regions. Danger level: extremely dangerous. The Himalayan brown bear is one of the strongest and most dangerous animals in Kashmir. Although it avoids humans, it can attack if disturbed. It can weigh up to 200 to 250 kilograms. Number 2. Himalayan black bear forests, Neelam Valley, Lipa, Tangdar, Poonch forests. Danger level: this bear is excellent at climbing trees and often comes near human settlements. Most bear-related incidents in Kashmir involve this species. Number 3. Snow leopard regions. High mountains of AJK, Astor, Skardu, Gegengir. Danger level: the snow leopard is rare and elusive. It stays far from humans but becomes extremely fast and powerful while hunting. 4. Common leopard, panther, leopard. Regions: Muzaffarabad, Bag, Poonch, Tangdar, Baramulla. Danger level: Lofwang, locally called cheetah. This leopard often enters populated areas and attacks livestock. It is one of the most skilled night hunters. 5. Kashmir Markhor regions, Neelam Valley, Karan, Athmukam mountain ranges. Danger level: not dangerous to humans. Markhor, Pakistan's national animal, is found in the snowy ranges. It is harmless but extremely rare. Number 6. Hangal deer, Kashmir stag, forest, Dachigam National Park, Srinagar. Danger level: this beautiful and rare deer is a symbol of Kashmir's wildlife. Its large antlers make it one of the most graceful species. 7. Red fox. Regions: almost all forests of Kashmir. Danger level: not dangerous to humans. It is clever, fast, and often seen in snowy areas. Number 8. Himalayan wolf regions, Balakot, Poonch, Astor, Gurez. Danger level: wolves travel in packs and are powerful hunters. They can be dangerous for humans in certain situations. Number 9. Jungle cat, Asiatic wildcat. Forests: Neelam Valley, Bag, Kohala forests. Danger level: a small but clever wildcat, usually harmless to humans. Measured 10. Eurasian lynx regions, high mountains of AJK. Danger level: smaller than the snow leopard but strong and very skilled at hunting. Summary: main wild animals found in Kashmir: Himalayan brown bear, Himalayan black bear, snow leopard, common leopard, markhor, Hangal deer, red fox, Himalayan wolf, Eurasian lynx, jungle cat. These animals are an important part of Kashmir's natural beauty and ecosystem. Some are extremely dangerous, so proper safety is necessary when visiting forests.